Picked up this restoration kit from Walmart, less than $10. Just curious how it's gonna work on my headlights. As you could see, my headlights with the garage doors open, they probably could use some TLC, and in just a second we'll find out how this kit performs. I'm going to do one headlight and then we'll compare to the other one how it looks. For this one I'm just going to follow instructions that are located, I believe, inside the box. And after about 10 minutes of using this pad, first I went with a green side, then a gray side. My headlight started to look hazy. It's supposed to look like that. I'm gonna let it dry. And now I'm ready to apply resurfacing wipe. And then I'll connect headlight to my car. And I'll connect the one that's not restored yet. And we'll see the difference. We'll see if this kit works. And I just finished using this kit. Looks like I have to go to Walmart again, because once you open this packet and if it's gonna start drying out, it's not gonna work. So for the second one I'll go to Walmart and pick up another one, and looks like it's doing its job. According to instructions, you're supposed to be in a very good ventilated area, and it's true. I just had to open my garage because that thing stinks so bad. Yeah, it's not gonna give you brand new headlights, of course, because I see some of the deep scratches over here. It's not gonna take care of that, but it's definitely gonna refresh the look of your headlights. Yeah, so let's just wait for this to dry out, and instructions say it's about 1 hour before you can touch it. And I'm completely done with driver's side headlight. I already reinstalled it back on my car, and I wanted to show you guys the difference between restored headlight and the one that's not restored. And the reason I have this headlight back on my car, I want to have my headlights on, that you can see the difference with headlights on. As you can see, this one has so much more dings and it's very hazy, and the one that I use this product on looks so much cleaner. The only problem I had with instructions, they are saying that you have to wait approximately 1 hour before you can touch the headlight. I actually had to wait more than 5 hours, but I think it's because it's winter and in my garage it's not super warm, so I waited like about 5 hours, then I could put my headlight back on my car. And also in instructions they're advising not to use headlight in wet conditions for another 24 hours. So I'm probably gonna follow that as well, just to make sure my headlight will not be hazy and foggy because I'm afraid it can even worsen the condition of headlight. Yep, so I'm gonna run to Walmart, buy another kit, like I said, because that one, if you open the packet, it's probably gonna be dry already. So I'm just gonna buy another one, and this is how it looks on BMW E61. And this is it. Thank you for spending your time with me, guys. Tell me in comments what you think about this product. Does it worth spending $10 to improve the look of your headlights? Definitely it's not gonna take care of deep scratches or deep dings, but it definitely refreshes the look of your headlights for sure.